Startup Week is a great opportunity. It's a great place to come to really network with your peers.
This is where it happens, right? I mean, this is where it all starts. The people who are coming here are the people who are going to be building the next set of unicorns.
So what's true is we closed our entire pre-seed and actually banked our entire pre-seed while we were here. And we have our full commitment for our 5 million seed round also while we were here.
Working with DC Startup Week to us is just fantastic. It gives our students a great opportunity to come and meet people and network, and building these relationships is going to be so important for their careers and their lives.
I'll just say it's exciting. I've been to tech weeks across the country, and to see it in my own home, to see the development of that ecosystem, we want to make sure that they know that we're right here and we're here to help.
I walked in and I saw this amazing DC talent talking about what they've learned. I got a little choked up. That's the value of DC. It's all about giving someone a shot.